Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell here on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Our main show, of course, is here on YouTube. We have friends and members from around the world who join us every day, traders large and small, who share with you their real trades, their real positions. The stocks you see on the screen right now is my real money, my real portfolio. As you can see there, that's my real shares, and we've had a bit of a drop today. Am I worried? No. Am I concerned? No. I'm holding. I haven't been adding to the positions because they haven't gone below my averages, but I am holding them at the moment. This is not a day trader's market. Not for me anyway, with my current situation where it is, but I am very happy. Let's get straight into the trades. It's a big day. We've got 59 minutes now left of our Kickstarter campaign. Just about to end our Kickstarter campaign. We are funded. We are off and running. Now it's where it gets exciting. Now it's where it gets exciting. The last 59 minutes to go for our Kickstarter, and we're going to explain all the perks and benefits in today's show. Okay, hello again, it says R is the first person here. Welcome to you. Pre-show we had Mike. Thank you ever so much for your funding for the Kickstarter. I will explain more about it in a few minutes, but thank you so much indeed for joining us. Please subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here. If you're over there on TikTok, join us here on youtube.com. Welcome /The Day Trader 1. Links in the profile. Great to have you all with me this afternoon. Someone this morning became a subscriber on my channel, and I made him a video and I tagged him in it, and it's already getting viewed. Fantastic. I'm promoting his channel. I do that for everyone who subscribes to me here. I'm like Mr. Beast, but better, because I give away my own money, and I'm trying to grow the best YouTube and best TikTok channel and Twitch channel in the world, and I'm never going to give up. I'm live 10 hours a day, 5 days a week, have been for over a year. Next week's earnings is probably the biggest earning week in a year. The mega caps need to pull a miracle off. I agree with you, market. We're also going to be covering all of that live. We're doing all the earnings, and Mike's in Twitch. Thank you so much indeed. Let me show you on our channel right now exactly what we're doing. We are covering it all. We are covering it all, so let me share with you right now. Check Discord, I will do. YouTube with Mo has posted something on Discord. Give me a second and I will do it. Just bear with me a second. I'm just getting back to my channel, and I'm going to show you something right now. Hang on a minute. Let me get back. Why isn't it going back to my channel? Go back to my channel. What's going on? What is going on here? Go back to my channel. Your channel. There we go. Let's try it. Let's try that again. Okay, here we go. So what we're covering, look, you can see on the screen, we're covering McDonald's earnings, we're covering Google, we're covering Meta, we're covering Tilray Brands. Look at that. We're covering all of it. And we're also covering on, what day is that? It's the July the 27th, the FOMC, the Fed, Jerome Powell, of course, will be covering that live. That was a suggestion by Market Profit, and I now cover it. We've also got the Amazon earnings. Look at this. So we've got Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Amazon, Virgin Galactic. They were giving $100 away in that show. We're covering all these earnings next week. Tilray Brands as well. We are covering so much we couldn't cover anymore. We're covering more than Yahoo Finance. That's how good we are. That's how good we are. All right, okay, let's get straight into it. Market. All eyes on Google and Apple, and they are priced to perfection. Apple is up 20% in the last month. They're going to need to have one of the best quarters in history to justify the price. Well, let's look what happens. So, Market Profit, thank you very much indeed. All right. We are watching it all. So let me go over to Discord. Message. Where is the message? I ask you to put it in clips for YouTube. I don't see it there. Makes it really easy, guys, if you post it in the right place. I haven't got a message though. So yeah, or wasn't it Mike? Check Discord. I haven't got anything in Discord. YT with Mo. YouTube with Mo. I haven't got anything in Discord from you. This is Discord. What we do, we have a channel specifically if any of my YouTube members, but you're not a YouTube member, so you won't even see the channels. Our YouTube members can see these exclusive day trader channels down here, and links for YouTube is where I can share things that you want to share on the show. Links for YouTube will be here. All right, so if you share things with me, but you can't see the public channels because you're not a YouTube member. So I think you may have been talking to somebody else. I was just checking if you were talking to me. Anyway, Neil Carver, just a quick message that I won't be joining you tonight as it's 8 o'clock here in the UK, and I'm in my local boozer, Neil Carver. Well, Neil Carver, thanks for letting me know. I love that. That's the dedication to this show. People come on and tell you they can't be here, but we appreciate you coming in, though. We had a great cash giveaway today and our first ever prize giveaway. That was great. We had $10 go out to Caden Youngquist. We got him up to 76 subscribers and still growing, so he's thrilled to bits with that, and we're still promoting and helping him, and we'll continue to support him and continue to promote him as long as he stays still a member of our channel. There we go. Have a beer, Neil. Cheers. Right, over there on TikTok, if any of you subscribe to me during the show today, I shall make a video for you at the end of the show. Put your channel on this big screen. I just did it for someone a few hours ago. They subscribed to me today, and I'm trying to grow the best supportive TikTok and YouTube and Twitch channel in the world. We're live everywhere now, and if you become a subscriber, you get many, many perks and benefits. I will do reviews for stocks for you. I'll make a video on the stocks that you request if you're a subscriber, and I will post it and I will tag you in it so you go viral along with me. It's just what I do. If you want to check out if it works or not, check on my profile up here and you can see the video I made for my subscriber who subscribed to me just a couple of hours ago. I did it straight after the show as promised. All right. Okay, let's get straight into the trades. You did win it. Congratulations. And you nearly won the mug as well. Anyway, that was Shad, and the mug is on its way to him, and you've got your cash prize, plus you've got your channel being promoted. And I will often jump into the live show and share your channel, okay? As long as you're a silver member, I will continue to do that. Right, Rio Tinto is dropping down now. Vanguard S&P is down 1.27. I'm not bothered, though. Wanted that mug? Well, you can still, of course, buy it. By the way, if you now look under my videos, has anyone seen that recently? Have you seen that recently during the live shows? Have you actually had a look underneath the video? You can see my little store. Can you see that, guys? Under the videos, you can see my store now. And if you scroll to my channel and look at the store, look, see? There you go. There's the mug. You can buy your own mug, or you can get your own mug made, or your Bitcoin. You can even have your name on it. I custom make them for $4. You get your own name on it and everything. All right, there you go. That's all on our YouTube channel now. We just got recently upgraded from YouTube, so we're very excited about that. Very excited about that indeed. Right, back to the stocks right now. Am I worried about this crash? Not at all. I'm not bothered at all. Yay, Nasty. Thank you very much. Thanks for the follow. Hello, mate. Really like your content. Thank you so much indeed. If you're a serious trader and investor, you should join us on YouTube. And if you want me to make a video for you on a stock that you want me to review and tag you in it and put it on my homepage so you go viral with me, all you've got to do is subscribe to me, click the subscribe button, and I will promote your channel. Every time I do something, I will help promote your channel. And I'll do a commercial for you at the end of the show with your channel on this big screen behind me. You think Elon is manipulating Bitcoin market this time around? Seen BBC on him selling Bitcoin? Yes, I've got a whole video. He spoke on the Day Trader channel the other day. We have a whole interview about Elon Musk. If you come into YouTube right now, I'll give you the link to the interview when he talked about Bitcoin and when he's going to leave Tesla as well. If you want that link to that video, it's exclusively on my YouTube channel, youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. Links in the profile. Links in the profile just here. All right, back to my YouTube audience. Wanted that mug? You can get the mug if you want it, Caden. All right, so we're down at the moment. SPCE is also down today. And, I just got signed out, did I? I hate when this happens. Please don't sign me out again. This happens. I hate when Robinhood does this. Okay, we're okay. Whew, blimey, I thought, bloody hell, we're not back to that situation, are we? All right, Virgin Galactic is down 5.75 today. I'm still up 8.5%. I'm not worried. I know a lot of you have signed out, but a lot of you are concerned, but I am not. I've just got to refresh a couple of these because from time to time, Robinhood will sign you out. It's for security purposes. The token expires and they sign you out. So never mind. We'll come back to it in a second. But the overall portfolio is still up over the month, 14.5%. I know it's down today, but that's okay. It's Sell-Off Friday. What do you expect going into earnings season next week? This is exactly what should happen. Someone asked me today, why did Facebook and Google sell off? Market Profit is obviously giving you his opinion, but I am telling you it's nothing to do with what he said, I don't believe. It's because of Snapchat. Snapchat was a terrible, terrible earnings, and the whole market, as always, overreacted and went, right, if Snapchat's going down, it's in the same space as Google or Facebook, then I'm selling out. Well, I thought you were an investor. I thought you believe in Google and Facebook. No, I'm selling out because Snapchat, which is rubbish, has gone down. How ridiculous is that? But that's what the market does. And that's great because that's people's sentiment. So what you've got to do is play into that and understand that people get fearful unnecessarily and overreact when something silly like Snapchat decides to have a bad earnings. Well, I wouldn't buy Snapchat if it bit me on the bum. Snapchat is rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. Why would anyone invest in Snapchat? It's pointless. Do you know how you can hack, by the way, Snapchat? It's pointless. You know, you send someone a picture and it goes away in 20 seconds. You just take a screen grab of it. It doesn't do anything. It's pointless. It's the most silliest app I've ever invented in the history of the world. And people are not investing in it. People might play around with it, but that doesn't mean to say it makes any money. People are not advertising on it anymore. Surprise, surprise, because it's rubbish. But because it's rubbish and doesn't make any money, it lost money, its earnings were terrible, and then everybody went, well, I'm going to sell all my Amazon. I'm going to sell my Google and my Facebook, which just presents opportunities to buy it. That's all it does. I don't know why. It's because of fear and greed. Everybody's got so much greed and lack of knowledge, lack of understanding, and a lack of calmness. It's like where everyone's reacting. I don't react to the market. I proact to the market. I control the market myself. I'm not going to have it manipulated by anyone. Even though it does get manipulated, of course, I allow it to come to me. And I've got my own strategy and I stick to it. So, there we go. Coca-Cola is up today. I'm very happy with that. Johnson & Johnson is up today, 0.02. I'm very happy with that. We're now coming on to Google. Starting to pick up, but we're down. Am I bothered? No, I'm not bothered. I'm down 2%. I'm not bothered. I've been buying the dips anyway. I've been buying it. I mean, look at it now. Look, if we look at the 5-year, just give it a second. Look at it. I mean, I've bought it down here. I bought it down here anyway, so I don't mind. I'm down. If you look at it, it was up here at 198% over 5 years. It's now 127, so that's like 60% down. 60% discount on Google from where it was in November 26. So I don't mind it's down 2%. I couldn't care less. I'm not fearful. I'm not selling out like everybody else. I'm buying. Not buying now, though. I'm already in. But I will buy if it goes down 10% lower. I didn't buy Snapchat, by the way. I got a few messages saying, are you buying Snapchat? Now it's gone down 25%. I was went, are you having a laugh? I'm not going to buy a lot of rubbish just because it's cheap. Because it's cheap doesn't mean it's valuable. Doesn't mean it's a good buy. Twitter has reported a 270 million net loss. Yeah, Twitter's rubbish as well. Twitter's rubbish. Why would you own Twitter? What's the point? Use it, be a customer, but it's rubbish. A report by Boston Consulting Group researchers predicts cryptocurrency users will be 1 billion in 2030. I think you're right. I think you can add another 500 million to that number. There we go. In 2030, there's no doubt about it. Crypto has a future, but it needs to rinse out all the rubbish. So stick to your principles. Buy it every time it goes cheaper than you've ever paid before, and demand a discount. Demand a discount. Just keep buying the dips as it goes lower each time. Don't ever pay more than you paid for last time. Just keep buying less. That way you'll always win. if you've got patience. But most of the market doesn't have patience. You see people ranting and raving all of the time. Anyway, PayPal. We had it this morning. Did you see Rob Brennan was upset because obviously he's lost money today. He's down 10 grand today. He's upset. But hang on a minute. Just look back. Let's look at where we are. We're up at 15% on the month. Just because today's bad, look, we have bad days all the time. We have to have bad days to buy in cheap stocks. And by the way, it's coming up again in the after hours. And if it comes up today in the dying hours on a Friday, it tells you exactly what I've been saying. The markets are not terrible. It tells you people were terrible. It tells you people are fearful because this is sell-off Friday. If you've sold off today, why on earth are you buying back in again? It's a sell-off Friday because you sold off and then people like me buy back in again. You shouldn't be buying back in again. Otherwise, what was the point? So anyway, that's what I think. I think we're going to see the markets come up a little bit in the closing minutes. And that's good. Even a little bit like that is good because it's sell-off Friday. Not nobody. I love leaving my money in the market because I don't pay tax on it. Some people don't like their money in the market, so they like to sell all their positions for the weekend so they're out of the market. They're not worried. I don't do that. I leave my money in the market because I believe in my stock and I want to be in it Monday morning. I don't buy anything I don't believe in. And that's why I don't own Snapchat or Netflix. Thanks for the follows over there on TikTok. It will dip far more than it has. I don't think so. Personally, my portfolio I think is strong. In fact, I know it's strong. I don't think it's strong for a minute. High-tech, high-risk stock, what I predominantly invest in, has bottomed. That's what I believe. That's what I am strongly convicted to. I believe that the high-tech, high-risk stock has bottomed. That's what I think. So I am more than happy to hold my position and add to it when it goes below my all-time lows. Not when it's 1 or 2% down. When it's 10% down, I'll buy more. And depending on what stock that is as well. Enphase Energy, great. I'm up 18.5%. It's down 4% today. Am I bothered? Not at all. I'm up 18.5%. It's a great stock to own. It does a great thing for the world, all right? And there we go. I knew I'd be logged out of something. Let me just refresh the screen. Let me send you over here a minute. Let me just send you over to this screen. I've got a couple of screens that have been logged out. It's what Robinhood do from time to time. It's a good thing. It's a security thing, but it is a pain when I'm trying to do a show. But obviously they don't build their platform for a YouTuber. They build it for security, which is how it should be, right? Might get an IRO. Rio, Ali told me to check it out, and I love it. Yes, Rio Tinto, you love it. I know why you love it, because of the 13% dividends, right? We asked a poll the other day, and it was surprising what remarks I got. I asked you all, I said, here we go, I'm back online again now. I asked you all, is it worth using margin at 4% to get a dividend of 13%? And nearly everyone said no, which really surprised me. It's just maths. Of course it makes sense. Why do you think all companies have debt on their books? Nearly every company in the world has debt because you can borrow money cheaper and make more money investing it. That's what you do. There's absolutely nothing wrong with using margin to buy Rio Tinto when you pay 4% on margin. And by the way, if you use Charles Schwab, it's 10% plus now, whereas Robinhood is 4%, 4.25. Why would you not use margin at 4.25 and receive a 13.75% dividend? The worst in history, I believe Rio Tinto dividend for was 5%. I mean, It's a no-brainer to me. That's just maths. If you get your emotions in the way, then you'll fear and you'll worry and you'll be all over the place. But if you do the maths and just sit back and calculate, it makes perfect sense. Anyway, have you had a chance to read the Ethereum Classic article yet? No, I haven't, Paul B. I'll do it over the weekend and I might make a video on it. But thank you for sending it in to me. I do read all comments. I do reply to all comments. And everyone who sends me stuff in, I do pay attention. The markets are coming up in the last few minutes. Looks awful when you see it like that, but if I refresh that, that might change a little bit. Hey, Rob. Hey, Martyn. That's better. That's the hourly rate. See how it's gone up, look. We're going into the after hours. Improving on a Friday afternoon is great. So, Martyn, I was down 15 grand at one point today. Now I'm only down 12 as space is recovering a bit. There you go. Now, as I was saying, Rob, and you know I love you to bits, right? But you are a perfect example of how the market reacts. You got upset, and understandably, you haven't decided yet, and that's the problem. You haven't decided yet whether you're a long-term investor or a day trader. And you don't have to be either or, all right? I get that. I do everything. I get it. Swing trade, scalp trade, whatever. I am proactive to what I think is the right thing to do. I don't react. I am proactive. I've already decided what I want to do. I don't react to the market. The market reacts to me. That's what I like to think, even though that's a load of nonsense. But what you did today was a perfect example of you got really upset. Well, not upset, but a little bit concerned because you'd obviously bought a lot of money invested on a couple of stocks, and for you it was best to day trade because you could make large profits. For me on SPCE, I was at 1.5 grand, and now I'm up at 800. It's no big deal, right? For you, it's different. I get it. I understand it. But what has happened is that's an example of human sentiment. And what has driven today's market was Snapchat yesterday reporting after hours crashing down 25%. It brought down today. It brought down Google and it brought down Meta. It brought both of these companies down. Now, Market Profit has put it a slightly different way, but I don't think it's about that. I don't think it's about valuation and about earnings reports. I think it's about people being fearful, and people are always fearful, and I'm not like that. And that's the issue right now. People have overreacted because Snapchat is not Facebook. The amount of money that Facebook has, the reach that Facebook has, is nothing like Meta. So if you invested in Meta, why don't you know that? Why don't you know that? Why do you think that Meta is going to be a disaster because Snapchat is? How ridiculous is that? You don't know what you're investing in then, do you? And that's the beauty of the markets. The manipulation and the hysteria is great for us to get in. And I've been buying all the dips, and look, it's coming back up now. And to see anything come up on a Friday when the majority of fearful bears want to get out of the market, they don't want their money in the markets over the weekend in case something happens over the weekend for Monday disaster. To see it rising on any level in the last half an hour when everyone's dumped and said it's all a disaster, to me is very encouraging. So I always, when it rains, I always think, well, the sun comes next. You know? And that when it's sunshine, I'm always preparing for the rain. I'm always the opposite. I was the opposite at school. It's why I had no friends. I was bullied at school all the time. I always asked questions. People in my class hated me because the teacher would ask me something. I would research the night before the subject, so I already knew what questions they were going to ask. And they would say stuff, and I would ask a question because I would challenge it. I wasn't happy with the answers. And everybody else, all the other classmates, were annoyed because they just wanted to get the class finished and get out to play. But I wanted to dig down into the facts. So I would always go, please, sir, can you explain what you mean by that? Not to be annoying, to understand. Because they were wrong some of the times. They were wrong. And I often would challenge a teacher and produce some evidence which proved they were wrong. But you can imagine, didn't always go down too well with the teachers, all the other classmates. But anyway, I wasn't there to be everyone's mate. I was there to learn stuff. Anyway, that's my... I digress. Right, markets are looking good. It's the best pump we've had all day. It's the best pump we've had all day. I'm happy with that. Right, it only makes sense to you because you don't correlate prices with stocks. Prices are irrelevant. That's why. Prices are irrelevant. I invest on the value of a company, the CEO, the product, and what it does and how it changes the world. I never invest on a price. A price is just an opportunity. If I wanted to buy a pair of Levi jeans, because those jeans are the best jeans in the world and make me look the best and they last the longest, right? The price is just the price. I'll try and get the best price for them. That's all. If in the January sale they're giving them away for 80%, I'll buy a pair. That's all. And I'll save it for the summer when I need it. But I'd already decided I wanted to buy the pair of Levi jeans because the value of the jeans outstrips the cheap ones. That's it. So I don't concern myself with prices. High dividends are great if the stock price never goes down. I think high dividends are really useful to balance your portfolio out. Right now, we've seen stocks today go down, certain stocks to go down when other stocks have balanced it out. I've seen Virgin Galactic go down today, and I've seen Tesla hold up. So, not to say either of those do dividends, of course, but I think a balanced portfolio, including dividend stock, because remember, when the markets go down and you've got constant money coming in, free money from a dividend, which you can reinvest on stocks that are going down or use elsewhere, is a good idea. It not just balances the portfolio, it gives you a calmness. And if you are calm, you often invest in the right way. If your markets are all speculative, all in crypto, are all over the place, you've got no stability. I like to build on a solid ground. The reason is Pinterest and Facebook rely on advertisement revenue. They do. Pinterest is rubbish as well, by the way. And Snapchat is a litmus to corporation appetite for advertisement. No, I get that. That's exactly what I said. It's advertisement. It's ad revenue. But the money and I mean, if I was a corporation, where am I going to put my money? On YouTube, Google ads, or on Snapchat? It's obvious. It's obvious. It's obvious. You want to put your ad revenue onto the most credible company with the best rates, the best reach. Google and TikTok right now, by the way, is one of the best search engines and analytics in the world. The algorithm is phenomenal for discovery. Snapchat, it's a gimmick. It's rubbish. It's got nothing proprietary. It can be replaced. It can lose money. People can switch off. You're not going to delete Google, are you? You're not going to delete Google and go, Google's rubbish. Snapchat, delete, rubbish. Gone, done. Customers lost. Netflix, rubbish. Amazon come along. We can put Ozark on our channel. Delete, gone. You could all unsubscribe from me today. I'm done. Finished. End of story. And that's the reality of it. That's the reality of Snapchat and Netflix and Pinterest. It's all rubbish. Anyway. Bookworm. William Karam, Twitter and Snapchat are showing you how ad revenue is dropping because of... Yeah, we know ad revenue is dropping. I gave you the inside track on that. The best person to give you the inside information on what companies are doing, their ad revenue, is a YouTuber. Because my ad revenue directly from Google, I can see the CPM rate. The CPM rate is cost per thousand, the bids that people pay to put ads on my channel. And I've been seeing over the last 6 months, ad revenue go down because people aren't spending on their businesses. But in the last 2 weeks, I'm seeing ad spend go up because my CPM rate is going up, which means companies on Google which owns YouTube, are spending more money, which means a recovery is coming, which means we've hit recession, which means we've hit bottom, and now the big companies want to get ahead of the game. And YouTube and Google and Facebook and Apple and Microsoft and Tesla and Virgin Galactic and all the rest of it, and Microsoft are ahead of the game. They are not Snapchat. They are not Netflix. They are not Pinterest. Anyway, the market is not slowing down. The market is about to bottom and then be reinvested in. This is the time to be in. Hey, Martyn, what you see in the next few months for space? The next few months for space, easy. It's a speculative market. It will pop up and down, but it's preparing. It's preparing for the flights. I am not selling. I am not day trading. I am holding. I've got two things that videos are coming out over the that are coming out over the weekend. Virgin Galactic. Richard Branson was seen at an event, one of his what's it called, events. Dreams or hotels. Someone told me the other day what it was. I looked at it. I forgot now. And he was wearing his Virgin Galactic spacesuit. And he was also today tweeted. And I also received an internal message from Virgin Galactic, which I'm going to tell you about in a minute. And it was about that the Virgin family, Virgin Airlines, hotels, cruise lines, blah, 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 Virgin Orbit, Virgin Galactic, all these things. He's putting together a family of, how can I best put it? Not like a rewards program, but they're going to correlate. And I've always said that he would do that. I always said that the branding of Virgin is second to none. It's as good as Disney, right? They are going to have, if you have a Virgin holiday, at the end of it, you can have a fly into space, land, and then go on the cruise ship. That kind of thing is coming. So that's phenomenal. So Virgin Galactic is just going to go up and up, no doubt. It's why it's the biggest part of my portfolio. Market Profit just said, lots of YouTube have been coming out over the last month and saying that AdSense revenue is down. That's what I just said. It is down over the last 6 months, but it's now going up again. I'm not allowed to show you my CPM rate. YouTube won't let me. But let me tell you, the CPM rate is going up. YouTubers do two things. One, they don't tell you the truth because they don't want you to know how much money they earn, and I always do. You know that, right? These guys who have a million subscribers make 10 grand a video. They don't like to tell you that. I tell you exactly what I earn. I will tell you now that ad revenue has been going down over the last 6 months. But those videos are now out of date. Over the last 2 weeks, it's going up. It's bottomed and it's going up. So that I'm telling you for a fact that companies are now spending money on ad revenue, which means Google and Facebook will be cleaning up when Snapchat and Pinterest disappear. Remember, Facebook own WhatsApp and Instagram. So once Snapchat has gone away and anything else that wants to linger around, it'll all be up. I'm not worried. You buy when everyone else is selling. You prepare when everybody else is running away and hiding away. You dig the ditches, like Sir Anthony Hopkins always says. There is an article in the Telegraph today. Richard Branson plans 17 rocket launches from Cornwall by 2030. There you go. There's an article in the Telegraph today. Can you send me that, Paul? Can you send me that, Paul? You are a member. You have access to Discord. Can you send me that article, please? I like Instagram. Do you? I hate Instagram. I've got an Instagram account. I don't know if you've all followed me on Instagram. I've got an Instagram account. Does everybody follow me on Instagram? I never talk about it because I don't like it. But I'm on Instagram. Look, here you go. Let me give everybody my Instagram thing. And all of my members, I follow you back. So if you want to get another follower, I follow you back. I follow back my YouTube members. Only my members, nobody else. I've got like 20 friends. I 20 friends. I sound like a right sado. I only follow about 20 people. Same on TikTok. I only follow my subscribers. Okay? I don't just follow a million people just to get a million followers. I don't see any point in that. Anyway, let's go back to the main portfolio. So if it goes up a little bit now, it's good. It's behind a paywall, Martyn, but I have given you the link in Discord. Okay. Okay, I've given you the link in Discord. Thanks, mate. Cheers, Paul. Rock and roll. Right. Let me come on to some serious business. First of all, serious business. I've got to run an ad. I've got to run an ad for my ad revenue that's going up, which other YouTubers are going, no, my money's going down. My money's going down. Give me more money on YouTube. Do you know what? I get less views because I go live all the time than any other YouTuber that does videos in my subject. They get thousands and thousands and thousands of views. If I get 1,000 views, I'm like fall over. It's because I'm live all the time. The algorithm favors my lives, not my videos. That's the way it is. And these guys make like 10 grand a video, and they're always moaning, "Oh my gosh, oh my gosh." Let me tell you something, right? Really, this is the crux of it. I want to tell you this. This is the truth, the YouTube truth, right? I've worked my arse off as an entertainer since I was 16. I worked for free for years. I built up a business. I toured the world, became world piano man. Do anything to succeed and get the job done. You know me. I sat here for nearly a year trying to get this channel going, right? So I'm prepared to invest in myself, right? And I've earned real money, sold out theaters, built up a real name for myself, a real brand, and made money. So I regard myself as having a value where I can earn real money, okay? But I'm not proud. I'm prepared to work for free and earn a couple of bucks a day. There are some YouTubers, and I will not give their names away, that had a regular job, so they weren't famous, they didn't have any success in a fame extent like I had as world piano man, selling out theaters on TV, stuff like that. They came onto YouTube, had some success, and it exploded, and they started to earn a lot of money, and suddenly they thought, I'm a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm on YouTube. I'm earning thousands of dollars a week. Wow, I'm amazing. Not the algorithm favored me and I got lucky. They didn't go live all the time. They just did a couple of videos, like a couple of weeks, started posting them, and they got lucky. And I would have been thrilled to bits. I would have been ecstatic with that. But they got a bit carried away. Look at me, I'm amazing. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a rock star. They did a get together, and they had like 1 million subscribers, something like that, and no one turned up. No one turned up. Well, first of all, your fans are all around the world. And in reality, did you engage and do live shows? Did you commit to their lifestyle? No, you just made videos and made money. You didn't engage in the audience. So they thought they were like Michael Jackson. They thought they could fill a stadium. No one turned up. I felt sorry for them, but I thought, well, you got to learn because your ego is bigger than your channel, right? Anyway, so that's the first thing that happened. And then their videos started to drop off, because they didn't really have the daily following. They didn't really have the family. They didn't really have any connection to their audience. The algorithm changed. Their videos didn't get watched as much, and their income dropped. And this guy, and I kid you not, he made a video, and he said, I had a YouTube channel, and I started earning like, I don't know, $5,000 a week or whatever, and my wife gave up a job, and now I'm really struggling. And my wife's got to go back to work now. My wife's got to go back to work, and I can't survive now. I've only got it's like half now. I'm only earning about $3,000 a week now for making 2 or 3 videos in like 5 minutes, right? And it's awful. YouTube's terrible. My ad revenue's going down, and it's terrible. YouTube are only giving me like $3,000 a week now, and it's terrible. I'm not a rock star anymore. And I thought, mate, what are you talking about? A rock star is Elton John. A rock star can sell out a theatre. A rock star can sell out a stadium. You're not a rock star because you have people who've watched a video on YouTube because the algorithm fed it to people. That doesn't make you a rock star. And if you can earn $3,000 a week by making a couple of videos on YouTube, be bloody thankful, because there are people who work their asses off at McDonald's 50 hours a week and don't earn that in a blimmin' year. So be thankful. And I am thankful that you guys watch and follow me every day and support me, because I'm telling you what, There are people on YouTube who have no idea of what real success is, and they take it all for granted when suddenly they become famous for nothing. And it's why I focus on going live and serving my family of people that watch. That's what it's really about, and not make video after video. Anyway, so to those of you that make a handful of videos who now think you are rock stars, no one turns up when you do meet and greets, and the algorithm turns against you, and suddenly you only earn $3,000 a week. Remember, there are people who work real hard and do real jobs, and you've now got a reality check that you're not a rock star and you're not really worth $3,000 just to make a 5-minute video. Do you know how many people every day moan on TikTok? They've got no talent, no skill, and they make videos shaking their bum, doing nothing, and because they're a good-looking woman, they get 1 million views, and then all of a sudden they don't make as much money last month as they did last month, and they go, I don't understand it. I'm only making $1,000 a week now on TikTok. I don't understand it. I'm a rock star. Why am I not making millions? I'm standing here shaking my bum. Get a life. So, anyway, end of speech. I just thought you should all understand that. And that's why a lot of YouTubers will go on YouTube and tell you the ad revenue's going down, start crying and moaning and telling you, trust me, if I get $1, I'm thrilled to bits. And you know what? I'm not in debt. I've made YouTube pay. I live within my means. I only invest what I've got, and you can make it work. And I've sold out theatres for $20,000. So I'm the real deal. I hope. Once was. But anyway, there you go. I'd be happy to make tenner a week on YouTube right now. Yeah, absolutely right. And always be happy if you make $10 a week. Because you know what, Caden? You're not competing against anyone. You're only competing against yourself. When your first video does 100, look at why it did 100, learn from it, and try and do 200 the next time. Don't compare it to me or someone else that's got more subscribers than you, because they're not you. You're comparing apples to oranges. It doesn't matter. Do never look at Mr. Beast or T-Series or BitBoy or Cryptos Are Us or Meet Kevin. Don't look at them, because they're not you. But remember one thing. They all started at 0. Every single one. But one thing you also need to know is a lot of YouTubers, their numbers aren't real. They buy subscribers, they buy viewers, and it looks like they're more important. They're not necessarily more important than you anyway. So just turn off everybody else, do your thing, and engage with an audience, give them what they need, and they'll come back every single day, 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, 5 days a week. You might have heard of a channel that does that, and it ain't because of me. It's because of them. It's because of this audience that I'm here, not me. It's because of each other. And remember that, and never think that you are better than the audience, because trust me, they can unsubscribe and stop watching your videos in a heartbeat. There you go. I'm going to stop talking about that now, but that's why Snapchat went down. That's why Google went down and Facebook went down. It's a load of nonsense. Google ain't going nowhere and Facebook ain't going nowhere. But Snapchat could die tomorrow and no one would care less. All right? There you go. So, stop selling your Google. Buy it when it's cheap. And that's it. All right. The date of the party, Alicia. We got 16 minutes to go. So, we're going to focus on this now. My Kickstarter ends in 16 minutes. So, I want to thank everybody that took part in it. It's not a charity. You're not donating money to me because I just want you to. That's not what this is about. What this is about is backing a project. You are an investor in a project. It ends in 16 minutes. In 16 minutes, you will be charged what you backed. If you don't back it in 16 minutes, you will not be able to be involved in the making of this film. Okay? There's still an opportunity to back it. what will happen is in 16 minutes you'll be charged because I've met my goal. All right, I've met my goal. So in 15 minutes, whatever you backed it will go through. Okay, so what's going to happen then is in October I'm going to go to the UK and record and make the movie Virgin Orbit. I say make the movie. I'm not making War of the Worlds. I'm making a YouTube video, right? But anyway, you can be with me in the film. There's all different levels of levels you can back the project, okay? If you want to be with me, I'm going to be with you. It's going to be an annual, it's a one-off convention on the 15th of October. The 15th of October, I'll put in the date now in the chat. Going to be in Cornwall on that day, and we're all going to meet on the beach. Those of you that back the project will get notified. Now, you can back the project from $1, and if you do, you will be invited, and you can be on it virtually. You can be in the camera in the event virtually. We can put you on the event virtually. Okay, so you don't have to pay the full $50 to be at the party if you don't want to. There's going to be some very special souvenirs, memorabilia, T-shirts with the UK the world tour of the Day Trader, which we're going to have at the event. It's going to be a really special day. We're going to hang out together, and you'll all be in the making of the movie. All right, so that's really, really cool. All right. If you want to get involved, here is the link to the Kickstarter. I want to thank particularly Rob Brennan. Is Rob Brennan in the chat right now? Rob Brennan did a huge support to the campaign, and honestly, if it wasn't for Rob, I don't think we'd have gone over the minimum. The minimum was $500, which we had to hit. If we didn't hit that, it wouldn't have even completed, and no one would be backing it. It wouldn't have been successful. You only get paid if it's successful. The campaign is successful, and it ends in 13 minutes. So if you want to be involved, want to be in the making of the film, this is the first of 2 parts. The second project will be we're looking at doing the Virgin Galactic Space Station in New Mexico. And hopefully I'll get to meet Richard Branson. That's my aim for that one. Anyway, the markets are just selling off again right now. Let's go back to it right now. Yes, that is it. No, the 15th of October. 100% the 15th of October. I'm not going to change the date because you're all booking it with that in mind. We're not changing the date, okay? It's 15th of October. October 15th, all right? Rio Tinto's going down. Vanguard S&P is just going down again. Virgin Galactic is going down again. Sell off Friday. Virgin Orbit's trying to come up. I've got a buy at 325. I hope it goes down. Warren Powell. What is the difference between A and C? Warren Powell. Okay, let me share with you. Google Class A, you can vote on the board, that's all. It makes no difference whatsoever. I've got C, I don't need to vote, whatever. Class C. This is the one most retail investors do. But it makes no difference. They go exactly the same. It's just voting rights. That's it. If you intend to be on the board and you want to go to the meetings and stuff like that, then A. But I don't. I'm just a retail investor, okay? It doesn't make a scrap of difference, okay? I'm invested in C. Most retail investors trade in C. It doesn't really matter, okay? It's up to you. Does that answer your question, Warren Powell? I hope it does. Hi, Paddy. Hi, Alicia and Patricia. Was you in the show this morning, Alicia and Patricia? Was you in the show this morning? Did you watch Caden's video? I don't know if you did you? Let me see if I can help him a bit more. Right, enough about me and my Kickstarter. Let's try and help Caden a minute. We got him to 76 subscribers. He started at 50. Now, I don't know if you did, but here's my video that I made for him. Here's the video. If you want to go and watch it, leave a comment. All right, there it is. There's the video. But there's the video. I did to promote his channel. But anyway, if you didn't subscribe to Caden Youngquist, if you are a guest to our show right now, please subscribe to it. It's what we do. We help everyone. Everyone gets our support. We grow everyone's channel, and it's what we do. He's a silver member, and as long as he remains a silver member, he'll be on the homepage of our YouTube channel, and we'll promote him. So there you go. I'll check back in a second, girls. I'm not sure you did. I'm so close to 80. Yeah, I said you'd get to 100, and I didn't quite do that. I got you from 50 to 76. So, pretty good, isn't it? But I would have liked to get you to 100. But you never know. Let's have a look. Let's refresh it. Let's see if it's moved. 76. Alicia and Patricia might have done it. 77. There you go. 77. You're very close. At 100, you can go live. We'll come back in a minute and see if we've got it to move for you. All right. All right. We had a great cash giveaway this morning. The cash giveaway. How do I find the links? Aluka, Constant Courage, one of my subscribers. Are you still there on TikTok? How do I find the links? You want to be part of our family on YouTube, and you want all the cash prize giveaways and all the links. Okay. Did you get your video? One of my subscribers on TikTok. Just come back to me. Are you still in the chat? Sorry, I didn't notice you. Are you still with me? Let me just see. Good man. Let me just check. Is Constant Courage one of my subscribers? He's got the Luca badge. I apologise for not noticing you. Let me see. Is he going to come back to me? I've got to give attention to my subscribers. I think I've lost him. I wonder when he wrote that message. I'll keep my eye on it. I didn't see that. I missed it. Constant Courage. Hang on. Just saw this. Come back in. Okay. Okay. I just saw it. Let me see if he comes back in again. I might have missed him. I was trying to help one of my subscribers. Now, if you subscribe to me on TikTok, at the end of this video, I make a video for you, promote it to your channel, put a link into your account, so my video, my commercial to you, and your channel will be on this screen behind me. I make a promotional video. I do it for all of I do it for all of my subscribers. Okay, so if you want to grow your channel as my channel grows, I've got nearly 21,000 followers and several viral videos. If you and I go live like 5 hours a day, 5 days a week, nearly 10 hours a day actually. So if you go and if you subscribe to me, at the end of this video, in a couple of minutes, I'll make a video for you and promote your channel and do a full-on commercial for you. All right? If you want to join me on YouTube, we've got 7 minutes to go before the Kickstarter finishes. The profile for YouTube is here, youtube.com/thedaytrader1, or it's just in here. It looks like we missed my TikTok subscriber. I'm sorry about that. Okay, let's have a look. Did we get any more for Caden? 77, started at 50, all the way up to 78. There we go, Caden. I've just subscribed to Caden as well, 78. All right, maybe it's gone up a bit more. 78. 78. There we go. Nearly 100. Thank you, guys, for doing that. All right, okay, let's get back to it. Looks like I missed my subscriber. You're welcome, Caden. I don't know how to do this with... I don't know how to do this, man, for real. Alicia, what do you mean? For real. Okay, California allowed cryptocurrency donations for political campaigns. Looks like donations will be Bitcoin. Appreciate everyone. Caden, make sure that you get everyone, reply to everyone, and always reply to everyone. And trust me, I get over 1,000 comments a day, and I reply to everyone. Put an hour of your day aside. It won't be an hour for you right now, but it takes me an hour every day to reply to everyone. And I have a system in place where I prioritize my members. And at the moment, I can reply to everyone. But as I get bigger, I will only reply to the members. It's part of the perks. Who won this morning? Caden won a cash prize, and Shad won the mug. And both have received their prizes already. Right, 5 minutes to go. Is anyone going to back anybody else going to back the project? We got 15 backers. We're going to be on the beach in England on the 15th of October. If you want to be at the Day Trader Convention, there is no way you can get a ticket after this. No way at all. And you can be there virtually via webcam, via YouTube link or Discord, or whatever, with us on the beach. You just need to, Alicia, please reply to me, Martyn. Oh, so the party is going to be on the 15th. Yes, I keep saying the 15th. Yes, the 15th of October and the lunch. The 15th of October. There is only one day, 15th of October. How many times have I said the 5th? Ah, here he is. Constant Courage has come back in. All right, Constant Courage, my YouTube subscriber, my TikTok subscriber, has come back in. Right, what can I do? What is it you want to know? How can I help you? We've got 5 minutes left of my campaign on TikTok to go. We're doing a special event in the UK. I'm making a film for Virgin Orbit, and we're having a party on the beach. We're all going to get together. If you want all my links for the cash giveaways, the free giveaways, it's in the link right here in my profile. You just click on the YouTube links behind the Instagram icon, and you'll be in my show right now. You've got 4 minutes to go if you want to be back in again. The video I made for you, Constant Courage, I think you've already put it on your channel, right? Have you already put it on your channel? If you haven't, I made you a video. I sent it to you. You're tagged in it. If you save the video and then post it to your channel, I think you already have done that. I'm not 100% certain. I think you've done that. Have you done that? I can't remember. But anyway, if that's what you want, you can do that. If you come into YouTube right now, the links are here. Or you can click the All Links button. You'll find my YouTube channel right at the top of that links page. You've got 3 minutes if that's what you want to do. I don't know if you want to be in the cash prize draw. I don't know if you want to be at the party. Didn't work on TikTok. We'll find you on YouTube. What didn't work on TikTok? You can save the video if that's what you want to do for your channel. The link's right here, youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. The link. I can't share links on TikTok. The links are in the profile. If you click the profile here, my icon, click my icon right here, it says all links. And it says the Instagram icon, which goes to YouTube. You've got the YouTube right there. Right? But the all links button will give you to YouTube. All right? I've got to get back to YouTube. Anyway, send me a message. I'll help you any way I can. I want to promote your channel. We've got 3 minutes left to get your ticket for the party in the UK, if that's what you're talking about. But the cash prize giveaways I do every single week, so you won't miss it. Right, okay. Mike, no problem. I give up. Alicia, what are you giving up on? You're overcharging for the Cornwall pint 50. Please reply to me, Martyn. I'm replying to you. What's up, Alicia? I'm replying to you. I keep saying the same thing. 15th of October. What am I missing, guys? Can someone tell me what I'm missing? What have I not said? All I need is some postmark which pumps space by a cheeky... Yeah. 2 minutes to go. Thank you, Alicia. Mike, no problem. I give up. Not so happy that the party will be on the 15th for my work. It would be perfect. Right, okay. I've always said the 15th. I keep saying we had a vote between the 15th and the 23rd, and the 15th won. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. What can I say? I know. Don't worry. I'll find it right here on the profile. Anyway, we've got 1 minute 37 seconds to go. Here we go, 95 seconds to go now to my Kickstarter campaign. Very, very excited. Let me go back to the shares right now, though. Keep you up to date with that. Okay. Markets are trying to push up again on a Friday. I'm fine. I'm absolutely fine with it. Not worried at all. Rio Tinto is trying to come back up again. The Vanguard S&P, it's all good. Sell off Friday and people are buying in. Silly people sold out with stress and fear because of Snapchat. All this over Snapchat. Honestly, it's all over Snapchat. Tesla's held up. Tesla doesn't care about Snapchat. Couldn't care less. Because that's the difference, right? The people on Snapchat are investing for whatever reason. I've no idea why. Tesla, the loyalty to Tesla is completely different. People know what they're buying into and they stick with it. Right, here we go. Back to Kickstarter. We're going to ring the bell, of course, but the bell is about to go. The markets are trying to recover. I'm not the slightest bit concerned at all. Look, it's coming up. Look, not bothered at all. So here we go. 30 seconds to go. This is our very first Kickstarter. It's about to end. Alicia is taking off the lunch and the party the same day. I wouldn't be able to come anyway, be in Manchester that day, football. You can be with us via a camera. You can be with us for $1. You can back the project for $1 and be involved. Here we go. What's going to happen now? Look, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell goes, the Kickstarter. Oh, there's the fireworks. Look at that, folks. We have done it. Our Kickstarter is complete. We're going to Virgin Orbit. We're going to make a movie. We're going to have you involved. There it is. Virgin Orbit. It is funded, created by Martyn Lucas. There's going to be a movie. Look at that. Fantastic. Very, very good. The campaign is funded and successful. There you go. We did it. Great stuff. Thank you very much indeed. The market is now closed. We'll come back to that and you'll get all the information about the party and the investment and the film and everything else. Right, okay. Back to it. Oh, well, couldn't find my card in time. If you said, did you want to back the project? Did you want to be involved? Now, you were telling me before that you wanted to be involved. So, if you come over to YouTube right now, the link's in the profile. I'll give you a link and you can talk to me. We can have a conversation. Because you said you wanted to be involved before it finished. So you can still get a ticket. You can still be involved. You can still be involved in the film. I can sort that out for you because you were trying to say before it ended that you wanted to be involved. That's our friend over on Kickstarter. That is Constant Courage. One of our subscribers wants to be involved. Breaking news. Tesla begging refunds on Cybertruck production put on hold indefinitely. What? No, that's not true. Tesla is begging refunds on Cybertruck production put on hold indefinitely. No. I don't believe that. I think that's FUD. Market, where are you seeing that? My British friend, I've had a rough day. No margin call out from me today. There is peace. Arnold the Palmer, yes. The same question and the same answer, Mike. Mike, I don't know exactly what kind of drug he's taking, but if anyway, it would be better for him to stop it. Alicia is asking if the lunch and the party the same day. What do you mean? If the launch... There's no launch. What do you mean, launch? What's happening? There's no launch. Right, let me explain for a minute. The Kickstarter campaign is to make a video about Virgin Orbit. It says that in the campaign. It explains that on the video, explains that in the campaign. There's no launch. There's no space rocket going into space. This is Virgin Orbit. It puts a satellite into space. Doesn't put we're not going on a launch. We're not flying into space. I'm going to England to make a movie about Virgin Orbit. And we, as one of the perks, one of the add-ons, we can meet on the beach in Cornwall and have a get-together. That's it. There's no launch. There's no flying into space. I never said that to anyone. So let's get that absolutely straight. Can we confirm the Tesla news, please? Yeah, we're looking into it now. Yes, Microsoft network reporting. Please do. Market Profit. Send me the link. on Discord, please, or use your other account to send it here, because obviously you can't send it here. You're not a moderator or a member here. So use your other account, please do, or send to Discord. Yes, send that in. If anyone uses Binance and a gift card on the 24th of July for an opportunity to win Doge, there we go. Right. So, does that answer your question? Paddy, there's no launch. We're just getting together. For $50, you can't go into space on Virgin Orbit. Oh my God. There's chaos here. It's chaos. Right. Let's have a look. Tesla. Tesla shares are not dropping. This is not happening. I do not believe this. I think that did it, Martyn. All right. I think that did it. You think I explained it? Oh my gosh. Okay. So anyway, are we fully up to date with that? Now then. Okay, I just want to share this with you. There, I sent the link. Fantastic. Okay, there I sent the link. The main channel. The main... Right, you can't send links. You're not a moderator. Have you sent onto Discord, please? There I sent the link. Yeah, links won't appear for you. I have to make you a moderator. I'll make you a moderator for a moment if you could do it again, okay? But we send the links on Discord, okay? I just want to share this with everybody. This is what you did. This is what you all did. Those of you that backed the project, you did it. You and 15 backers brought this project to life. Thank you so much, guys. Time to start telling the next chapter of the story of your new project spotlight page. You can customize your page, update the story, and direct fans to your work wherever it is. Brilliant. There we go. Congratulations, everybody. We've got funded for Kickstarter. Absolutely wonderful news. All right. Okay. Get back into the trades. I don't have Discord. Okay. It's the way we do links now. But I will make you a moderator for a moment. So please don't start banning people. Okay. The main channel. I've just made you a moderator. You can send the link again. There we go. They're only refunding in Australia. There we go. All right. I don't need the link. It's okay. I don't need the link. I knew that was good. Okay. Yeah, just look. There you go. There you go, guys. Over on TikTok, that is just a little bit of drama. It's not happening. They're refunding in Australia. Irrelevant. Irrelevant. The Cybertruck comes out of Austin, Texas, right? Next end of this year. Fact. Elon Musk has already announced it, all right? The Cybertruck is already coming out. There's no reason for that at all. So don't everybody calm down. Everything is good. Everything is as it should be. Tesla shares aren't dropping. Tesla's going nowhere. Space is no good for a party. There's no atmosphere. Space is no good for a party. Yeah, there's no atmosphere. 3% of sales Australia of the truck. Yes, nothing. Irrelevant. Irrelevant news. It will, of course, be all over the internet and everybody will be going, oh, that's it. I've sold my Snapchat. Now I'm selling my Tesla. That's what will happen. You wait and see. Oh, my God. Which is the best platform to subscribe to? TikTok and YouTube are very different. My family, the serious traders, the real investors are on YouTube. You get a much better quality experience. If you just click the link here, you'll see the profile. It says all links. So you've got my YouTube channel. Also, you've got the button, the Instagram icon. Behind there is the YouTube link. You come straight in. Or type it in, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. People come from TikTok all across all the time. It's really easy. youtube.com/thedaytrader numeric 1. The Day Trader 1. Just type that into YouTube. Come on in now, and we'll welcome you all in. All right? Space is no good for making money, and there is a black hole. I'm talking to one of my... I'll show you who I'm talking to, look. This is really important, right? This is my friend here on Discord. He's got a Luca badge, and he's one of our subscribers. So he gets priority like all my members do here on YouTube. He's a member. He's a member of the family. So you are like a cousin of the family. Come and meet the whole family on YouTube. They're in there now. We're just about to end the show, so come on in now, and we'll all be good. All right. I searched on the internet. Richard Branson event is programmed in October, but still no date yet. So it would be nice to know it, but no problem at all. Alicia, that has nothing to do with what I'm doing. Okay? What I am doing at Virgin Orbit has nothing to do with Richard Branson and what he is doing. Richard Branson is not my best friend, and I'm not going out for lunch with Richard Branson and flying on a rocket. Right? I'm going to Cornwall in England to make a YouTube video, and we're all going to get together on the beach. That's it. All right? Please understand that's what's happening. I really want you to know that's what's happening, okay? Okay? We're not meeting Richard Branson, we're not flying on a rocket, okay? Oh God. In fact, it's as cold as hell. Oh yeah, in fact, it's as cold. Rob Brennan, spot on. I want to fly on a rocket. For $1, you can fly on a rocket. I mean, haven't you backed the project for $5? So I think, yeah, for $5, Mike, you're going on the rocket. Yep, you're going on the rocket. Do you know what I didn't do today? I never asked everyone to subscribe and ring the bell and give me a thumbs up. I didn't do it once. I can't believe it. Can everybody please like the video? Please, I forgot to do it. And I forgot to do day trade of the day. So let's do it right now. Okay, let me run a quick commercial, bring everybody up to date. Skip the ad. You ready? Here it comes. We're waiting for our friend Constant Courage to come into YouTube and say hello. And then I'm going to introduce you to all the family. Can't wait for that. All right, here we go. I don't want to participate in the day trader of the day. You have to. You have to participate in the day trader of the day. I'm participating, Rob Brennan. You have to participate. You've already made all your profits. You sold the stocks. Some of it's down, but you've made a lot of money, right? So you should be up. You're only a few quid behind Branson, aren't you? Yes. I'm only a few quid behind Branson, and Patty and Alicia are coming with me on a rocket with Richard Branson on the 15th of October, just after we play football on the beach. Oh my gosh, what is going on? Right, day trader of the day. Here we go. Down 2.91%. Once you start posting, I will start the clock. But, guys, please, reality check. Over the week, we're up 6.21%. A few days ago, we're in recession. The world's coming to an end. We're up 6.21%. On the month, we are up 17.22%. It's okay to be down for today. It's Friday. We've had a great week. Real Ray. This must be, I reckon this is Constant Courage. Is this Constant Courage? Real Ray? Is Real Ray Constant Courage? We've just got someone become a member on the channel. Right, we got day trader of the day. Are you ready? Here we go. So down 2.91. 1 minute. Is Real Ray my Constant Courage? It might be. I might be wrong. It might not be him at all. It might be somebody else. Okay, 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Day trader of the day, and then we'll celebrate. I said, chicky, 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 boom, boom, chicky. Now I got it, Martin. Alicia's got it now. She gets it. Yeah, Branson Pickle, not Richard. That's good. I like that. That's quote of the day. That's a good one. Yep, you got Branson Pickle, not Richard. Yeah, down 1.06. Down 1.06. You go into the lead, Mike. Mike's winning. Mike, Rob Brennan. 7.2. 13 grand. Don't worry, Rob. It's all part of the game. You're just playing bigger numbers. Brickmark, 6.38. We feel your pain. Sheesh, said Mo. Yay, Ray. Welcome, Ray. Is Ray constant courage? Yes, it is constant courage. Right, come into the chat on YouTube. We'll have a party for you. There we go. The time is up. Okay, the winner today is down 1.06. The winner, Mike. Mike, when did you last win Day Trader of the Day? All right, okay, here we go. So, Mike has won the Day Trader of the Day. Right, we're about to welcome Real Ray, who's just become a bronze member on YouTube. We're going to celebrate him. Why are you over on TikTok if you're in YouTube? What the heck is going on with that? Anyway, we're going to celebrate Ray in a second. You ready? Right. First of all, it's a huge moment. Everybody, please. He's one of 2 people to win All the Best trophy. Only 2 people have won this trophy. Paddy April and Mike. Best people on the channel. Most supportive, and he's never won Day Trader of the Day. So today, he wins. So, he is. We want to celebrate, because, right, Mike, so you're going to get this badge today. It's payday for you because you've lost the least amount of money. And everybody, give him a big round of applause. Come on, here we go. Big round of applause. Hang on. He wants the full package. He wants the full. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up for being a star and a legend. And here come the sound effects. There it is. Everybody, nice. Okay. We've come to the end of the show. It's time. Everyone's saying roll the credits. But we got to celebrate, first of all. We've got to celebrate. We've got a new member to the channel. Now, Ray is a new member to the channel. You get lots of perks and benefits here on the Day Trader. Hi from South Africa. If you become a subscriber, I make you a video on TikTok at the end of the show in 2 minutes and post it to your channel, tag you in it, and hopefully you'll go viral like I do all the time. I do it for all my subscribers. Right, Ray, Constant Courage, just became, oh, by the way, I see you're flying the Ukraine flag. I did a concert in the studio behind me, and I had people in Ukraine, because of Elon Musk Starlink, join me live while they were being bombed in a bomb shelter, and I was singing songs for them. If you want to be part of that, that's my other channel. Come into YouTube and I'll share it with you, all right? That's my music channel. Trying to find the live chat. Where's the live chat? Can someone tell Constant Courage how to find the live chat? Can someone tell him how to do it? It's right on the screen. It just says live chat. I don't know what to say. You'll find it. You can do it. I believe in you. I trust you. All right. Okay. So here we go. So here we go. We're going to welcome in our new guest. Would everybody please welcome Ray? He's just become a member. So my name is Martyn Lucas. I'm from Cornwall in England. This is my TV studio here in Dallas, Texas. Would everybody please put your cities and countries in and welcome on to the show Ray. He's trying to find out how to chat. He doesn't know how to chat, but he's trying to find out. For PC, I don't think it shows. Yes, it does. It does show, Mike. I'm on a PC and it shows. Trust me, it shows. Anyway. There you go. Of course it flipping shows. What you saying, Mo? You are a YouTube with Mo. You're an expert, and you're saying it doesn't show. It does show. It does show. I love the family. Right. Okay. So let's give them a big welcome to the channel. Here we go. What should we share? We'll share this one today. We'll share this one, shall we? Shall we share the? Where is it? I'm losing my marbles. Lost them years ago. Fireworks for Ray. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Congratulations. You are now a member of the Day Trader. Now, you get lots of benefits. Not just that. And here comes the cheers. Here comes the cheers. There you go from Leonardo DiCaprio, the wolf. Right. He's not here on the chat. He's trying to work it out. He's thinking, I'm missing my big moment. I want to get in on the chat. Why can't I get in on the chat, he's saying. I'm on an iPad. You can still do it on an iPad. Look, I've got an iPad over here. Shall I get my iPad and show you? Flipping it, I can't believe I'm doing this. I can't believe I'm doing this. Look, shall I do it? All right. Look, I'm going over to my iPad. See the service you get here. Here's an iPad. Here's the show. Look, playing right now. Look, there's the show right now. There, look. There's an iPad. This is the app on iPad. All right. And there's the live chat. Look. See, right there. Look. See, look. Hang on a minute. It says live chat right there. Live chat here. Right, there it is. Right, I've got to shut myself up because I'm on an iPad here. I do too much to help here. I'm too nice. I shouldn't be this nice. I shouldn't be this nice. Welcome, Ray. There you go. He's getting welcome from the North Pole, Winchester, Virginia. The Queen of Celebrating is welcome you from Dallas. We got welcomes from Italy, welcome from Mars, and the only person who's not talking is Ray. He's found it. He's found it. Everyone, hey, come on, everybody, go mad. He's found it. Boom. Okay, there you go. Welcome, congratulations, mate. He sorted it. All right, brilliant. He's worked it out now. Right, welcome, Ray. Boom. Right then. What a chaos that was. Wasn't that unbelievable? Right. So, Ray, you said you would like to be involved in the Kickstarter before it finished. So what we're doing, we're making a movie. We're going to the UK, and we have many, many levels to support. Now, the Kickstarter is now finished. You can see it's gone to 0. But did you want to be involved in the film? Did you want to actually be in the film? Are you in the UK? Do you want to be at the beach party? What is it you'd like to do? And how much would you like to invest in the project? It's not a charity. It's not a charity at all. It's not about that. It's about backing a project and getting involved in the making of the film and so on and so forth. So, tell me what you'd like to do. Well, you don't have to tell me. What you can do is if you go into the super chat, underneath, you can make a tip on the show, and depending on what you do, there are different levels. $50, you can actually be at the party in Cornwall. You can actually be in the film as well. $100, you can actually be credited on the film and actually be in the film. So I thought it would just be fun. Yeah, we're all going to be there. £50 for a Cornwall pint. Don't listen to Paul B. He's a bloody idiot. He's one of our members, but he's a pain in the backside. In fact, do you want to hear him? Right, Paul B. Before I do any of that stuff, he can decide what he wants to do. Real Ray, you are now on YouTube. Has everyone welcomed you in? Now, you might notice everyone's a member. You're a member now. Your badge is a nice little purple colour. It will turn into gold after a few months. Now then, we do a cash prize draw every Friday. We do cash prize draw. We're giving $100 away on Virgin Galactic Earnings Report, 4th of August. But every Friday in the opening bell, we give away a cash prize. Every Friday. We're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world, right? If you are a silver member, which is $2 a month for more than you are now, we put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel like this. This is the Day Trader channel, and I put all the members here, and I make them videos. And we did it for Caden Youngquist this morning. This young man here, he had 50 subscribers, brand new channel, and we've got him up to 78 on one day. And we've made him a video where everyone watched it, everyone liked, everyone subscribed, everyone commented, and we do it for everyone. That's what we do for our silver members. But right now, as a bronze member, you get lots of perks and benefits already. And one of those is full access to our Discord channel, and I will always reply to your comments. I will promote your channel by highlighting your comments on YouTube, all that great stuff. And what your donation as a subscriber is, as a member is, it supports the live shows. I go live all the time rather than make videos. I do make videos, but I go live all the time because I'm trying to grow the best YouTube channel. We've raised over $1 million in this studio behind me for our members. over $1 million. And for silver members, they can have a 20-minute fundraiser. And on your birthday, Ray, for you, your family, for your son, daughter, whatever, you can have on the day before, the day of, the day after. This is TikTok, by the way, you're watching here right now. You can actually have a birthday party live in the show. I do your song. You get to keep I do a birthday song for you. You get to keep the video. You can clip it and so on. I'm here to help and promote and support and make money for people. That's what I do. Okay. It's on the 29th of August. Right. So you can have that celebration then on the day before, the day of, or the day after. Not just for you, but your whole family. Your wife, your children, whatever it might be. They can all benefit from that perk. But one of the most important things is, let me give you the Discord link now, because you can access Discord for free, but as a member, I upgrade you and I give you the membership benefits. You can see all the exclusive channels. You can also call in live to the show, have your say via video call or just audio like a phone call. All right, so I'm going to give you now the Discord link here. If you do a super chat, if you want to back the project because you wanted to before it ran out, you still can, and I will take that as a donation or as a investment to the project and send you the information manually. I will email you manually. So there's Discord. Now it takes 10 minutes to get through to Discord. I don't know if you're already there, but if you go to Discord right now, I will manually update you. I might have to do it on Monday now, or, because it might take, we're going to end the show in a minute. But get onto Discord and I'll manually update you and you can then call into the show and all that stuff. All right? Okay, I think have I covered everything? Oh, and last but not least, here is our weekly newsletter email. Every single Friday, we do a cash giveaway. And we do it this way, so it's won by fans of the show, not bots and scammers and spammers and stuff like that. We do it through a weekly newsletter, and I put my top tips, I put what I'm in trading in, what's going on, and all the cash prize giveaways. Every Friday, I give away what I make in the show away. I try to help that way. All right. And as Mike says, it's back ordered for Paul B. All right. Now then, we've come to the end of the show. We are back on Monday, of course. We want to welcome our new member. I hope he's taking advantage of all the perks and benefits. Can you check space before you go? Yes. Does anybody? Yep, it's going right back up again. See that? Overselling. People who invested who didn't understand why they invested. Look at McDonald's. Straight back up again. Look at Johnson & Johnson, up. Look at this. Look at Microsoft going up. Look at Google going back up. See? There you go. I'm not worried, not bothered, never concerned, never stressed. Okay. There you go. Right, any questions? Does anybody want to do a song before we go? Another perk we do here for all our members, Ray, is you can request a song. It's a $10 super chat because I get copyright on the song and I lose my ad revenue. So basically I cover that, and if you want to give me a super chat for a song, you can choose one of 14 voices, 7 different languages, and 650 songs. I can do the voice of Andre Bocelli, Pavarotti, Michael Jackson, Paul McCartney, Eric Clapton. Who else can I do? Andre Bocelli, I said that, didn't I? Anyway, Righteous Brothers, Bryan Adams, Frank Sinatra. Anyway, Elton John, Bryan Adams. There you go. Oh, Ray is in. It looks like Ray is in on Discord. The doorkeeper. I'm going to check if this is you. So, Ray, is this you? And I know it sounds silly, but I have to ask. And the reason why I ask is people try to come in and pretend to be you and take advantage of your account. This is constant courage, finally. Right. Ray on YouTube, please confirm it's you on YouTube. Please confirm. I know it sounds obvious, but I do it this way to protect people's accounts. Please confirm it's you on YouTube. Do do it on YouTube, please. There you go. I tell you what, he got into our account very quick. He must have already been there. Anyway, we're waiting for him to come back into YouTube. I have joined Discord. Yeah, is that you? Yes, that is you. I'm just asking if I have to ask if it's you because people copy you and they come in and take advantage. Right, that is you. Yes, that is you. All right. So here we go. I'm going to upgrade you now. Upgrade you to a member. There we go. Member. There you go. I've upgraded you to a member. So you can now see all the channels. And what that means is you can now call in as well and be part of the show and have your say. And if you ever upgrade, you can also have your own channel as well, should you have anything you wish to share or promote. Okay. So, if we've got anybody who's got a birthday today for themselves or a family member, if you are a member, you can have that. And Ray, just look at the very bottom of the channel. As a member now, if you want to share your trades, share your interests, or ask a question or say hello to the family, you can call in using the in-broadcast channel here. And what happens when you do that, it sounds like this. Our traders call in all the time. And here's Paul B.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
We even have celebrities who've been on mainstream TV news channels who support this channel. Here's Kurt Wuckert, a big celebrity in the crypto space.
I'm Kurt Wuckert Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com and GorillaPool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday. And he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays and have a good time with everybody.
There we go. I just got somebody over there on TikTok. Please, how do I proceed? What is it you want to do if you want to be part of the family, the day traders? You simply click here on the icon here and come on into YouTube. YouTube.com/The Day Trader 1. Linked in the profile. If you subscribe to me like Ray did, who is now here on YouTube, this is... I'm going to make Ray famous. Look, this is Ray on Discord, right, on YouTube right now. He's just become a member. He's just a subscriber on TikTok. He's just come over to YouTube, and now we're getting to meet him and his family, and we're going to help him as well grow and do everything we can. So here, this is Ray right now. Look, this is Ray, who's just a subscriber over there on TikTok. He's on the screen right now. So if you become a subscriber here today on TikTok, at the end of the show, in about 2 minutes, I'm going to finish. I will make you a video. I'll put your channel on the screen and I'll promote your channel for you live on the show. All right. I'll make a video for you, tag you in it. Excuse me. And then you'll be part of our cash prize giveaways and all the great stuff. Thanks for all the follows. Very much indeed. Thanks. You're very welcome. Back to my trading screen. Right, guys. We got to finish. What game do you play? Martyn, you need an assistant. To do what? Yes, I know. That's why I miss him. Who do you miss? Who do you miss, Alicia? Who do you miss? I miss you, Ali. Ah, there you go. SPCE. We'll keep an eye on it. Coming up again. So who else have we got? Who else can I share with you? We've got Uzi Mackie from Ireland.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Uzi Mackie here. I just wanted to say the Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market
honest
ups
guy.
and downs.
See the
Don't
Irish.
be shy. Say
Love
hello
the Irish.
and join the family.
There you go. Love the Irish. Rob McLean, Scotland.
That you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
There you go. All right, fantastic. And who else has we got? Rob McLean. We played him already. And we'll do one more. We'll do Patty and then we'll end the show.
Hello to everybody. I'm calling from Tuscany, near near Pisa. I'm very, very happy to be here. It's very amazing. It's very funny. And to share friendship, a great channel, because you're sympathetic, because it's a great family, a pleasure, and a great emotion.
Rob Brennan just says, if space goes up $1, my portfolio goes up $28,000. If SPCE goes up $1, well, get ready for it, because it will. It might not happen today, but it will. I've no doubt whatsoever. Well, guys, it's the end of another week. It's time to thank everybody. We've done the Kickstarter. Thank you very much indeed. Ray, you've got literally 1 minute left. If you want to do a super chat, you'd like to do that, then I will use that as the money for Kickstarter, and you'll get all the perks and benefits. It's my absolute pleasure. Just understand one thing. I'm actually the world piano man. I performed all over the world, 195 countries. I'm here to help people. I'm here to raise money for charities. I'm here to share my life story. I started on YouTube a year and a week or so, a couple of weeks ago. And the purpose of this channel is to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. I started with $5,000. This is my real money, my real shares. I trade all of my money. Everything is here for you. I only have a couple of grand in the bank, but I have no mortgage. I have no car loan. This is all the money I have in the world. I earn my living on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch. All the members that fund these live shows is what I live on. I earn a couple of bucks a video on the videos I make because I'm always live. I'm trying to build the best YouTube channel in the world. So the members, all of you being members, is what supports me and helps me provide this service 5 days a week, 10 hours a day, and so on and so forth. That's my journey, Ray. That's what this is all about. You'll add me to the family. You'll need TA for day trading. Seriously, you'll all add me to the family. Hello, how do I share charts with this week? You can share your charts once you become a member of the family. You've got to become a member. You're not a member, YT. If you become a member of the channel, you can access Discord. You can have your own channel on Discord. You can share stuff. You can call in. You can do so many things. But we have a membership for two reasons. One, because people support this show with a couple of bucks a month. People watch me more than they watch Netflix, number one. And two, they do it because we don't want scammers and spammers and robots and stuff coming on, all right? I will tell others about you. Well, Real Ray, you haven't yet heard my music. I am the world piano man. If you want to pick a song, that's my main thing. That's what I built my life on. I'm now doing this because I can't tour anymore because COVID killed my touring business. And not only that, my back is now gone. I have six six bulging discs in my spine, so I can't tour anymore. That's why I do this show. All right, there you go. Rob Brennan just gave me a super chat. Rob, thank you so much indeed for your super chat. That is awesome. It's just about time to roll the credits. I was just giving Ray the chance. I don't think he's do it today, but that's fine. So what we're going to do now is, first of all, thank, where's it gone? Thank you, Rob Brennan. You've given me a super chat, so you can request a song, one of my own songs, or the voice of Elton John, or Eric Clapton, or Brian, I mean, whatever. You can have a song, mate. Cheers. Thank you very much indeed for the tip. So if you want a song, you can, or we can just end the show. I'm going to give you 1 minute on the clock to say what you'd like. If you don't want a song or anything, we'll end up the show right there. Okay, thank you ever so much, everybody. Thank you for, wow, all the follows over on TikTok. Rocket Man for Space. You want some Elton John? All right. So, and who have we got with us right now? Okay, guys on TikTok, we've got a request for a song. So if everyone taps the screen like that, everyone taps the screen, we're going to do Elton John. So Elton John, Rocket Man. And we want to get everyone tapping the screen because we need to get the numbers up now on TikTok for this, all right? We're going to do it right now. So we're going to do a song for to finish the show, and then we'll do roll the credits. All right, then we'll do roll the credits. So let's change all the lights. Change all the lights. Here we go. Okay, we're going back to the studio. This is a special request from Rob Brennan, who's given us a super chat for Rocket Man. And now we're going to end up the show. Whoa! We got a $50 tip. Oh, look at that. Look at that, everybody. Right. Would you like that to be your ticket to go to Cornwall? Real Ray. Real Ray, you need to message me on Discord. Send me a I need to put the light back on again. I'm sat in the dark here. What's the point of that? Real Ray, hang on a minute. Right. Real Ray, send me a message on Discord. I will now send you the invitation to the party because £50 is the price. So there you go. Look at that, everybody. Look at that. Awesome. Looks like Ray is going to be at the party with us all in England in October, which is October the 15th. Right. It's time to do our song for Rob Brennan. Let's go over now to that part of the studio. Here we go. Here we go. It's Rocket Man time. So here we go. And we're going to bring everybody up on the screen. Here we go. So if you want your name on the screen right now during it as well, live chat, you can have it. Here we go. Live chat. There you go. Your name will appear on the screen. Let's get into position. It's Rocket Man for our guest today. I'm going to take you guys over there with me. Everyone tap the screen. We need to get lots of people now into the show. I'm going to take you over to this part of the screen. Let me put my day trader cap on. The World Piano Man hat. Here we go. All right. Okay, here we go. All right. Here we go. Turn it around. Change the lights. We're in the echo chamber now. Turn the lights down. Here we go. There we go. And now we change this round. Get ready to rock and roll. Everybody over here on TikTok. I'm going to take you to the back of the studio now for a bit of a surprise. Everyone's got to tap and share the video because you're about to get something a little bit special now. This is a request from Rob Brennan, our top fan today. And our biggest backer to our project, by the way. Right, here we go. Let me turn the telly around. There we go. I think we're good. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, we're in the hot seat now. Let's put this on. Preset. And how you doing? All right, let me turn that around for you a little bit more. There you go. Is that good? Is that good? All right, is everyone tapping the screen? Okay, here we go. All right. She packed my bags last night pre-flight. 0 hour, 9 a.m. I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. I miss the earth so much. I miss my wife. It's lonely out in space. Such a timeless flight like this, yeah. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not a man that think I am at home. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm a rockin' man. Rockin' man burning out his fuse upon alone. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Mars ain't the kind of place to raise your kids. In fact, it's cold as hell. There's no one there to raise them if you did. All this science I don't understand. It's just my job 5 days a week. Rockin' man, rockin' man. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not a man that think I am at home. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm a rockin' man. Rockin' man, burning out his fuse upon alone. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. I think it's gonna be a long, long time. Okay, go on then. Who's gonna give me the cue? Who's gonna who's gonna shout out, roll those credits? And then we'll roll the credits. Roll the credits. All you gotta do is shout out, roll the credits, and I'll go and roll the credits. And let's see who got famous today. Roll the bloody credits. All right, we're gonna roll the credits. Let me go over here. Now let's see who was part of the show today. The stars of the show, thank you for your support. The moderator Mike has beaten the restream bot again. Rob Brennan and Real Ray gave us a super chat. We got another member over there on Twitch, it looks like, as well. A new member. Is that on Twitch? It does look like it. That's the members on Twitch. By the way, I just want to tell you now that Real Ray, every first Friday of the month on Twitch, it's in the same show as YouTube. We give away a cash prize. We gave away a mug today, one of my day trader mugs. If you use your Amazon Prime account, you can subscribe to me for free on my Twitch account. You've obviously just followed me on Twitch. If you subscribe to me on Twitch using Amazon Prime, it's free. You don't pay for anything. It's part of your Amazon Prime. And every first Friday of the month, we do a cash giveaway. All right? And every Friday on YouTube, we do a cash giveaway as well. But that's it. We are done. It's all over. Thank you very much indeed for making Kickstarter happen. Thank you for all the tips. Thank you for all the support. See you back on Monday. Let's make some money all over again and look forward to another great week. Until then, take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful week. Be safe. Bye-bye for now. Take care of yourselves and each other.